GM to invest $888 million in Tonawanda Propulsion Plant. Tonawanda Propulsion Systems is one of General Motors, GM, most important and oldest engine manufacturing plants, located in Buffalo, New York, USA. Established in 1938, the plant officially changed its name from Tonawanda Engine Plant to Tonawanda Propulsion Systems in 2024, reflecting GM's new strategy for modern powertrains. In May 2025, GM announced an $888 million investment in Tonawanda Propulsion Systems. This is the largest investment in GM's history for an engine manufacturing plant aimed at preparing the production line for the next generation of V8 engines, Gen 6. The new engine will increase efficiency, be more fuel efficient, reduce emissions thanks to advanced combustion and thermal management technology. Production is expected to start in 2027. GM has made strategic investments in its manufacturing facilities over the last 15 years. In January 2023, the company announced a $500 million investment in its Flint engine plant for production of the sixth generation of V8 engines. Today marks the largest single investment the company has ever made in an engine plant and makes Tonawanda the second GM propulsion plant to produce this new generation of engines. Our significant investments in GM's Tonawanda propulsion plant show our commitment to strengthening American manufacturing and supporting jobs in the U.S., said Mary Barra, Chair and CEO. GM's Buffalo plant has been in operation for 87 years and is continuing to innovate the engines we build there to make them more fuel efficient and higher performance, which will help us deliver world-class trucks and SUVs to our customers for years to come. The investment includes new machinery, equipment, and tools, as well as facility renovations. This investment marks an exciting new chapter for our plant, said Tara Bosick, plant director at Tonawanda. For generations, our team has demonstrated its commitment to manufacturing excellence. We are grateful for the opportunity to continue supporting the Western New York community and steadfast in our mission to deliver world-class propulsion systems to our customers. Tonawanda Propulsion, represented by UAW Local 774, will continue to produce the fifth generation of GM's V8 engine while the plant prepares for the next generation startup production in 2027.